Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you something very simple, but very useful. I'll walk you through how to download and install the Facebook desktop application directly on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. Yes, instead of always opening your browser and typing facebook.com every time, you can install Facebook as a standalone app on your computer. And the best part, it takes less than 2 minutes. So let's go step by step. All right, first things first, open your web browser. I recommend using Google Chrome because it makes this process very smooth. Now go to the address bar at the top, type facebook.com, and press enter. This will take you straight to the official Facebook website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your email and password to sign into your account. Take your time, I'll wait. Good. Now, look carefully at the top right side of your browser's address bar. You should see a small install icon. It usually looks like a little computer screen with a downward arrow. When you hover your mouse over it, it will say something like Install Facebook. That's exactly what we want. Go ahead, click on it. You'll see a small pop-up window appear asking if you want to install Facebook. Simply click Install. And just like that, Windows will install Facebook as a desktop application. That's it. No complicated setup, no downloads from external websites. Clean and secure. You'll notice that Facebook opens immediately after installation. It looks exactly like the web version, but now it runs as its own dedicated app. No browser tabs, no distractions, just Facebook. Now let me show you something important. Close the app for a moment. After installation, you might see a new Facebook shortcut icon on your desktop. That's your quick access. But there's more. Click on your Start menu and type Facebook. You'll see it listed as an installed application on your system. Right-click on it, and you can choose Pin to Taskbar. This means anytime you want to open Facebook, it's just one single click away from your taskbar. You can also right-click again and select Pin to Start. Now when you open your Windows Start menu, Facebook will appear among your pinned apps. Simple, clean, convenient. And that's how you install the Facebook desktop app on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Very easy, very fast, and super practical. If this helped you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Drop your questions in the comments if you get stuck anywhere. And if there's another app you'd like me to walk you through, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.